Hello, today I will be doing a tutorial on Roblox Studio. If you have any questions about the tutorial, please comment below in the comments section. Let's get started. As you can see, we are in a tab called All Templates. We will be covering over about the base plate template for now. All the other templates we will not be covering about. But if you are wanting to use the templates, you can. The templates are organized in 3 tabs. The All Templates tab, which we are currently on, the Themes tab, and the Gameplay tab. The All Templates tab as well, all the templates they have. The Themes tab is themes, for example, the desert or a snowy forest, and the Gameplay tab is all based on gameplay, for example, racing or doing an obby. To get started, you have to click on a template, which what we are gonna use is the baseplate template. As you can see, the baseplate template is just a baseplate in the middle of nowhere. We are starting off with the Home tab, so yay. Here are the tools we will not be going over in the Home tab for now: the Game Settings, Team Test, and Exit Game. We will be going through all of the other tools in the Home tab. To start off, the Basic Select tool. This tool can be used to select parts you have placed down and drag and move things using your cursor, or to select multiple parts in your area. The Move tool is used to move things up, down, or the side. It can also drag and move things like the Select tool, and all the other tools can be used to select multiple or one thing. The Scale tool will scale parts. For example, if you have a sphere, it will scale differently than other parts. It will scale bigger rather than turning into an oval or something, while normal parts will just scale longer, taller, or bigger. The Scale tool can also be used to scale models bigger like a sphere or shrink them. The Rotate tool can be used to rotate parts and objects on their side or any way up, slide down or down up. For collisions, I recommend you toggle it off. Collisions will make it to where the part cannot go through another part, but in building, it is useful to have parts being merged for more detailed builds. The constraints are actually not what we are going over, so yay. The square that you see will say join or something else. I recommend you put it to as always. It shows you when a part is touching a block by indicating with a white outline. The toolbox is used for finding free models and stuff that can help you with building. Also, to get a part, you either click the image to spawn a normal part or click the drop down to select any part you want. To use materials, you select a part you want to add a material to. Select the part and click the drop down for materials. It will show you the different materials. It can be in examples with images. I chose the new Roblox material, glass. You can also change the color of the part to any color in the showing or even your own, but that's for another time. If you select more than one part and select 2 by dragging across the screen, holding left click to select 2 parts, or holding shift click to select 2 parts, or even hold CTRL and click to select multiple parts, then you can group them so you can move them both without having to select them both. Great for when making models or organizing your builds. You can also ungroup them and drag the parts around separately. You can also lock parts so that you can't mess up, and when selecting multiple, it can also prevent hackers from using, for example, BTOOLS to destroy the blocks. If the part is locked, they can destroy it to go through. There is also the anchor. Whenever you're in building mode, you cannot see some of your builds functioning in reality. To do so, click the play button. If a part is unanchored, it will fall and collapse. To make it stay in the air in a certain place, click the anchor tool to keep it in place. The terrain we are also not talking about, but that's it. Try building. Here's an example of making a basic bad wall build. Also, you can duplicate a part to make another of it. Great when building complicated builds. When copying and pasting, it pastes on the part you're selecting or just over a block, but not inside like the duplicate tool. To copy and paste, just right click on the part to copy, or from the top and paste with CTRL-V or the paste button. Hope you enjoy and hit that subscribe button, and as always, stay crazy.